Good morning, and welcome to the vlog. My name is Jessica Penner. If you're new here, hi. It is a Saturday morning. Today, I am going to film a Saturday in my life. Now, I wouldn't typically be filming on a Saturday because it's a rest day. It is Shabbat, but this morning I just felt prompted to do this. So I'm going to take you along on what a typical Saturday looks like for me. First off, I'm part of a Reading Through the Bible in a Year challenge, and Monday through Saturday there are live Bible readings on Facebook in the Facebook group and on Zoom, and I get to be a reader on Saturdays. So that is what we're going to be doing first thing this morning. I will show you my setup, and yeah, you might laugh. We're in my tiny bathroom. There is the shower, and this is my setup. I have my laundry basket with my laptop on top. I sit in the tub with a towel. Now I only got 20 minutes till it starts, so I'm gonna get this all set up, and then if I have time, I'm going to clean up my face a little bit, but I don't always have time. And you know, it's like not the worst. All right, first I know I need to address the elephant in the room. Like, what is going on with my hair? If you want to have like waves or something and you don't want to use heat, well, this is how I do it. I just have a scarf that I have braided around my hair, and at some point today I will take it out and my hair will be wavy. This is how I do it. All right, now that that's over, I am going to find our reading of the day, which will be in this book. This is the best Bible journal I have ever used, and it literally goes through the entire Bible. The entire Bible. All of it. Every single part of it. Not just a small part of it. All of it. So, we're going to find our reading for the day, and then we're going to type it in. Oh, we finally got to the New Testament this week. So we're reading in Matthew. I'm reading Matthew 20:22. So exciting. All right, I have exactly 3 minutes to clean myself up for this video. It's gonna be so good. Light and easy and ready to go. So as soon as you guys jump on, say hi, say where you're from. If we have anyone new, oh my goodness, introduce yourself. We always love meeting our new ladies. Wow, I just finished the reading and prayer. We prayed through Psalm 91, and I'm just like tearing up, and oh, now my mascara is like bleeding into my eye and like burning my eye. Oh, but man, that was so good. That was just so good. Every time that we get together, like, I'm just so blessed. It's like just the most refreshing and soul-filling and peaceful and beautiful experience. It is a beautiful day, and I'm heading over to the farmer's market. I'm actually pretty late because they close at like 12 and it's like 11:50, but I'm gonna stop by to get some eggs, and we'll see what else they got. Because it's spring, they don't have a whole lot of produce yet, but it is always fun to see what they got anyways.
farmer's market. Got myself some duck eggs, chestnut mushrooms, which is a new thing for me, which is gonna be cool, and a basil plant. Oh, because there is just nothing like fresh herbs, and I've been wanting some gardening stuff, so that'll be nice. Anyways, now it is time to make breakfast. I'm gonna fry up those mushrooms with probably onions and the egg, and probably do like a wrap. Simple breakfast wrap with the mushroom. As you can see, some of these leaves look a little bit wilted, but what the folks were telling me is that this basil plant was grown in hydroponics, and because she's just been, in dirt for about a week, she's still adjusting. And yeah, I think it's fine. Like, the top leaves are starting to look they're more fresh, they're more stiff. So I think it'll be just fine, but I'll make sure my plant here stays moist and it'll be good. And don't mind my husband's awesome rock music. These babies are chestnut mushrooms. So, the merchant of the mushrooms told me that the stems and the caps have very different texture. The stems are a little bit, they maintain their crispness, and the caps get really nice and soft. So that's why I'm cutting them apart. And I think I'm gonna saute the stems a little bit longer than the caps. So we'll throw those in with the onions, and then after that has sauteed together for a little bit, then we will put in the caps. The dark stuff that looks like dirt, the dark powdery stuff, it's actually spores. It's mushroom spores. You're eating spores, but it's not dirt, so it's clean. You should go check that out. With butter, of course. I just can't even. This is so good. It's making me like tear up. So So if you guys have ever heard of no heat curls or like no heat waves, it may look kind of ridiculous in the middle of the process, but when this is all done, you'll love it. You'll love it. It will all make sense. I basically, showered last night, got my hair all wet, and before I went to bed, I braided it around my scarf so that it would add a little bit more to the waves. They'd be a little bit bigger than just waves that were in a regular braid. And having this scarf allows you to have the curls all the way to the bottom. I hate it when you have braids and you know you have to tie off the end of your braid and then there's that straight bit at the bottom. It just doesn't look good. So this is how I remedy that. This looks good. I like it. This is all so wavy. And no awkward straight ends. None at all. No thank you. So now Cliff and I are going to be going to a local park. I gotta buy a wedding gift for a friend, and that's about it. So it'll be fun. All right, almost ready to go. Got my hair clip, and of course, phone. So we have arrived at Target. I dropped Cliff off at the park and I'm still not 100% decided on what I want to get. So I think I'll just check the registry and walk around and see what I can find and also see what inspiration hits me while I'm there. That was a success, and now we're going back to the park to catch up with my husband, who is biking around. And look who just made his first loop around. Wow. Wow, wow. Isn't that perfect timing?
The better than the first time, I think.
Yeah, so you gonna do it again, or are we gonna chill out now, or what are we gonna do?
I gotta catch my breath first, obviously. Pretty red in the face right now, I'm pretty sure.
Woo! Looks like you got some bugs in your hair.
It's fine. Probably some twigs and different stuff.
Did you time
Took
yourself?
me about 50 minutes.
50. Guess we can unpack and set ourselves up for a walk.
Hold on to hope, don't let go. Don't give up, there's rest for your weary soul. And time to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told. And hold on to your scars and wounds and paths of home. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all your burdens? Yeah. And I said, ooh, my words are few, but I love you. Those words, please hear them. Yeah. I can't begin to comprehend what you've been through. I wish it was all just pretend, just an awful dream. But please don't let your heart grow dead, for God restores it, brings hope and grace and truth and life. And I said, ooh, what would you do if you could lose all
funny. There's literally a fishing lure that got caught up in the tree. Someone was yanking it back and it was gone. So we have been just enjoying hanging out at the park and thinking about what are we gonna do tonight for supper, whether we're gonna go out to a restaurant or do something, and just the peace and quiet was just so good. Like, we don't want to go anywhere else. So the brilliant idea of the night is we are going to take a quick drive to Publix, where we will be able to get something quick and easy, and the Publix is like 3 to 5 minutes away from here, and then we will come back and enjoy the peace and quiet, because like, seriously, this, it's so worth it. Why would we ever want to leave? So anyways, in the car again for a quick little shopping trip. This looks good. Like it's like a whole roast or something.
Yeah.
There's one too. We have had success. So excited. So hungry. This is gonna be good.
You know it's kind of funny how a room full of things feels completely empty when you're not in the wings. How could I have known the fortune I would find, peace deep in my bones, the beauty day and night, and you make anywhere feel like home. Home isn't where we live, it's living by your side. Oh, and I can't imagine any other way, the way our world needs your touch. Your touch in every space, and how it makes any place feel like